Welcome everyone. Today we will discuss numerical on spherical roller bearing. Select the suitable spherical roller bearing subjected to radial load of 4 kN and axial load of 1.2 kN running at 900 rpm operating at 120 degrees centigrade for the life of 6000 hours with 93% of probability of survival. So we will write all the given data. So here we have bearing type, which is spherical roller bearing. The radial load is given Fr, which is 4 kN, then axial load Fa, which is 1.2 kN, then speed is given N, which is 900 rpm, then we have the temperature, which is 120 degrees centigrade, and life of bearing is given, which is in hour, which is 6000 hours, and probability of survival, which is 93%. Life of success for 93%, which is expected, which is 6000 hours. First step. Then second step, life of the bearing, which is in million revolution, we have to determine. So in order to determine that, we'll write that L07 mr, which is million revolution. For that we have the equation L93, which is equals to LH into 60 into N divided by 10 raised to 6. So on substituting the values, so L93, which is equals to LH is 6000 here. Then next we have 60 into N is 900 divided by 10 raised to 6. On calculating, we will get the L93 is 324. Find out L-10 L93 by L-10, which is equals to Ln into 1 by P93 divided by Ln 1 by P90 whole raised to 1 by B. So here B is 1.17 for roller bearing from PSG 4.2. Substituting the values, so L93 is 324 divided by L-10 that we have to identify, which is equals to Ln into 1 by 93, which is 0.93 divided by Ln 1 by 0.9 whole raised to 1 by 1.17. On calculating this, we will get L-10, which is 445.58 million revolution. So this is what the life which we'll expect from the bearing which we are going to select. So L-10 mr, which is 445.58. Now we will calculate the equivalent load PE, which is X into V into Fr plus Y into Fa into S, which is given in PHT 4.2. Here V is for inner race 1, and X and Y are the radial and axial factors that we have to select from the PSG. X and Y are depend on Fa by Fr, or which is whether it is greater than equals to E or smaller than equals to E. According to that, we have to select. So here I am going to select this bearing, which is spherical roller bearing, in which 22205C to 22207C. In that series, we will select the bearing. So here E for that series is 0.32. So after that, we will calculate Fa by Fr. Fa is 1.2, Fr is 4, so that our value is 0.3. So then here Fa by Fr is smaller than E. So according to that, we will select the X and Y. Here X is 1 and Y is 2.1. We can see on a data handbook. We will substitute all the values in equivalent load calculation. So 1 into 1 into 4 plus 2.1 into 1.2 into spectrum of 50 will take 1.1. PE is 7.18 kilo Newton. Then we will calculate required dynamic capacity of bearing. For that, L dash 10, which is equals to C by P raised to K. Here K is 10 by 3 for roller bearing. Now we will substitute the values in this equation. L dash 10 is 445.48. 445.458. C into P is 7.18 and 10 by 3 is equals to 44.75 kilonewton. Get the temperature factor. Here temperature is given 120 degree centigrade. From the pHg 4.2 we can see that for the 120 degree we have to accommodate 5%. So the 5% means 0.05. Okay, so we will add 1.05 into 44.75. So this is what our actual required capacity, 46.98 kilonewton. Okay, so now 46 kilonewton we will convert into kgf, that is 4698 kgf, which is required. So we will go through the data handbook. So we will see in a data handbook what is given. So PHG 4.32. Here we are going to select the bearing 22207 because when we see the capacity, it is having capacity of 5200, dynamic capacity 5200 for 22207, and rest of 05 and 06 are having less capacity, so they will select this one. Lastly, we'll check whether it is giving required life or not, or sufficient life or not. Here L dash 10, which is equals to C by P whole raised to K. C value which is given in the bearing, so which is 52 kilonewton and 7.18 raised to 10 by 3. On calculating this, we will get the value of 734.7 million revolution. So previous million revolution which is expected was 445.58, which is very less than that of the current bearing, so that our bearing is safe in that duration, which is 6000 hours. So here life is higher than expected life, so bearing is safe. Thank you for watching. Do like and comment.